Hi. Right? So to integrate the Stripe payment into the Laravel, okay, we can following with the step. Right? So of course, the first one you need to register. Right? You need to register inside the Stripe.com. Okay, just activate. No need to activate the business account. Right? You just activate so you can get the API key. Right? We need the public key and the secret key. Right? There's a two key. Okay, for testing purpose. Okay, for testing purpose. Okay, so for the first, of course, we need by using the composer command to get the required document file or system file set up inside the Laravel. Okay. Right. So by using the composer requires stripe.php. Okay. So if you download the required file, right, to the Laravel, right, and if you take time, right, a bit, right, 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 right. So while we are waiting for the download the file, okay, we can go to the next step, right? So the next step is to set up the environment for the Stripe, okay? So we need the public key and the secret key and set up inside the .env file, okay? So you can go to the .env file, okay? Behind is the Stripe key, okay? Public key and the secret key, okay? Also done, okay? So we can copy, right, the public key and paste over here, right, and also the secret key, right, and paste to the here. Right. Right. So for the next there is a configure, right, the service.php file inside the Laravel project. So just key in the parameter, right? So inside the configure file service, right? So you just scrolling down before the end, right? Okay. Right, so go to the next one, okay? Stripe, right? Stripe. Okay. So for the next, okay, we will create a route for payment, okay? So we can add to the route, okay, inside our web.php, okay. So after that, okay, we create a payment controller, okay, by using the PHP artisan make controller payment controller. Hey, yeah, artisan. Okay, payment controller payment. Okay. So we will add the controller function, right? Because we will create the run the command, right? We will run the command for the composer, so we can straightforward using a library, right? Library above the thread, right? So most important here is import the library. Okay, so we get the value from the form, right? And we will passing, right? We will passing the value, right? Amount sub from here, sub, okay, to the thread. Okay. So after that, if you return back, right, or you can redirect to any fetch, it's up to you. Okay. So after that, we will prepare about the UI. So first, you need using the import. The very important is jQuery, right, for the certain version in your uh, user interface, right? User interface. Right? So we can add over here, right? Right? And the form, right? We need to customize action, not only action and the pose, okay? So you got other parameter, right? Other parameter, especially the stripe key, right? Especially the stripe key, right? So we need to add into our HTML form, right? HTML form, right? Especially this one, right? Very important stripe key, right? The public key, right? The public key, right? Passing to the stripe, okay? Passing to the stripe, right? So the rest is the UI lah, right? About the column for key the value, and key the value, the value. Okay. And also the script, JavaScript, right? Validate, validate the file, right? Validate the file. Okay. Right. So there is a result, right? Uh, after you set all, right? There is a result for the sorry, I haven't got PHP artisans, right? Okay. Okay. Right. So you can simply tick, right? The item you want make payment. Okay. So the testing, you can go to the stripe.com, right, document uh, to get the test card, right? To get the test card. Right? After that, you pick the fair, right? Fair, right? Fair now. Okay, done. Right. So after you done, okay, you can check about your uh, Stripe, right, developer account, right? So you go to the event, right? So you can check. You are received the 3349. Actually, the charge, right? Charge because we make payment, right? Right. So I get the payment, right? Right. So the key term is the not only the function, uh, public key, secret key, route, but the item you must be make sure here is very easier to make a mistake here. There's a form parameter, right? Very important. There's a form parameter, right? And also you are required to get the jQuery. I highlight jQuery, right? You make a minor mistake and difficult to troubleshoot, right? Difficult to troubleshoot, right? And don't simply modify above the parameter inside, right? Because if you validate by using the what I call it JavaScript here, right? Okay, thank you.